Lay out all the parts you received in your packages. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 5/32 Allen wrench. Start by placing the lip of the anchor box on either end of the riser. Align the holes and secure the bolt and washer with the Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten all 4 bolts. Next, to create leverage for a later step, place some sort of wedge under one side of the anchor box before placing brick-sized pavers into the anchor box. You should be able to fit 14 into the base. Then place the combined lid and riser back onto the base. Insert the mast through the lower captain's wheel assembly. Next, insert the threaded portion of the mast through the upper crow's nest assembly of the umbrella frame and secure with the crow's nut for safety. With a partner, lean the base over and insert the umbrella assembly into the center hole until it seats into the receiver at the bottom of the base. Secure the umbrella to the receiver with the provided 4-inch pin. Attach the J-hook to the threaded portion of the captain's wheel using a 1/2-inch socket head bolt. Remove the shackle pin from the shackle and pulley. With the pulley still on the shackle, insert the assembly up through the rigging holes in the top of the crow's nest assembly. Repeat the process with the captain's wheel, this time looping the shackle with the looped end of the rope before securing the pin. Pass the open end of the rope through the pulley. To ensure the rope does not fall back through the pulley, tie a knot to act as a stopper. Next, locate the half of the table that has the 2 rubber latches. Start by aligning one set of holes in the support board with the flat side facing up and support angles, securing it with a bolt and washer. Align all holes and secure with bolts and washers. Once the first half of the table is assembled, slide the table half onto the top of the riser and align the holes between the two. Secure with the supplied T-screws and washers. Next, screw in the alignment pins into the threaded slots on the end of the table half. Slide on the other half of the table, making sure they align, and insert the pins at the ends of each table half. Secure the table halves together with the rubber table latches. Ensure the arms are locked into the correct hole for the size canopy you have purchased. Remove the crow's nut from the top of the umbrella frame. Drape the canopy over the frame. Adjust the canopy so that the seams align with the arms. Make sure the threaded portion goes through the center grommet and screw the crow's nut back on tightly. Align and secure grommet tabs on the canopy to the ends of the arms. Once you attach the grommet on the end of the arm, secure the grommet with the button head screws and the 5/32 Allen wrench. To raise the umbrella, flare the arms out and push up the captain's wheel bearing enough to expose the holes. Place the pin in the lowest hole and rest the bearing on top of the pin. To install the stopper bolt, remove the acorn nut off the end of the bolt and install the bolt through the top hole. Once through, screw the acorn nut back onto the end of the bolt. Tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver along with a 7/16 wrench. Once secure, push the captain's wheel bearing up until it makes contact with the stopper. The pin below will remain and act as a secondary safety measure.